friends, this is Krish. Welcome to our channels PVSK Cooking, PVSK Education, PVSK PVSK1, PVSK PVSK2, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Experiment. Today we are going to see very simple tricks in a Windows 10. It's very useful, I think. So here, first of all, we can go to the how to minimize Windows which is on a icon. So very simple. Click on right click, show the view. So here very small, very large, so is which you want. It's very large, and go to the very small. And if you want to disappear the icons, very simple, click on show Windows icon. So here when you disable that, automatically it's disabled. When you enable that, automatically it's come to the one of the trick. And also if you want to remove another trick, remove temporary files, so go to the control, here, sorry, start button and R. When you give that start button, when R, so start button when R, it shows like this. So when %temp% is very useful. So when we click on that, control A, so delete. When you click on delete on keyboard, so it shows some are not deleted. So because of some files are automatically, some services are automatically run on background, so that's why it's not deleted. So this is the main thing. And also if you want to for example, another trick, if you want to go here, some clumsiness in your so here more windows are open in your desktop. So if you want to close, very simple. So click on right button and click on right button and do it like this. So shake like this, so automatically close all windows. If you want to come again, shake again, it's came again. So like this, very simple trick. And also if you want to end task, struck windows, if you want to close, so here very simple, go to the start, right click, so here task manager, so here which you want to close. So for example, I want to close Microsoft Word, so end task, automatically it's closed. So again, if you want to close all windows, so click on this, so shake like this, it's gone, and shake like this, it's came again. So it's very simple trick. And also go to the another trick, if you want to intimidate the calendar, so go to this task bar and click on that. Automatically we given more events here. So which event if you want to go, for example read, set the time like this. So set the time here 1925. so when you give 1925, so when you set the time like this, so it's automatically intimate at that same time. So click on this, so save. When you click the read, so click on that, and edit also you can do like this. So see here, it shows like this. So one event, so see this, two events here. So click on that, go to the market here. So if you want to delete the previous intimation, so delete the event. So again one event only, you can click on that. So click on that event, edit again, you can save it here. So check in a taskbar, it shows like this. Very simple trick, one of the simple trick. So like this. And also if you want to take the snapshot, so it's very simple. Go to the press on some keys on a keyboard. So Windows plus Shift plus small s. When you give this, show like this. So different shapes we have. Which shape if you want, click on that shape, rectangular shape. So I want Google. So for example, where you want to paste, very simple. we already discussed on that trick, Windows small r. So here Win Word. So when you click on Win Word, it's a word open. So if you want to paste here, Control V, paste button. So automatically this image is appeared here. So it's very simple tricks to enhance our work, and so please do subscribe our PVSK cooking, PVSK entertainment, PVSK education, and PVSK PVSK1, PVSK PVSK2, and PVSK entertainment, PVSK experiment. Thank you very much. Do not forget, friends. Thank you so much.